This demo shows you how to create a supplier invoice in SAP Business by Design. Business by Design enables you to enter, verify and post invoices, credit memos and down payment requests that you can receive from your supplier by fax or by mail, as well as electronically as XML messages. To manually create a new invoice with reference to a purchase order, choose the Supplier Invoicing Workcenter and select the Invoice Entry view. Select the row that contains the relevant order and click New Invoice. The New Invoice screen opens and you can see that Business by Design has already pre-filled various fields. For example, buying company, total cross amount and items. Only the external document ID and the invoice date need to be filled out. In the external document ID field, enter the ID as specified in the invoice that you receive from your supplier. To enter the invoice date, click the calendar icon and select the correct date. You can now check whether the item details, such as the quantity and the net price, match the item details of the invoice you receive from your supplier. In this example, this is the case. If you add more items to be invoiced, you can have the system update the total gross amount and the total tax amount by clicking Actions, then choosing Calculate Total Amounts. If there was a quantity or price variance, you would click Show Exceptions. To clarify the variance, you can send a request to the buyer by clicking Forward for clarification. Click Save and then Post to release the invoice for payment. If relevant, the system also creates new fixed assets automatically. The system displays a success message, confirming that the new invoice has been released for posting. Please note that instead of creating invoices manually, you can also scan invoices and upload them into the SAP Business by Design system.